What is going on, DeRosa Insiders community? It's Matt Faircloth. Welcome to the Cash Flow Digest Show. Like I said, my name is Matt, and our company is the DeRosa Group, and we're a company transforming lives through real estate. Is what we do, is what we want to help you do as well. We want to help you guys make cash flow, find cash flow, discover it in your network, in your real estate business. Today, guys, I want to talk to you guys about something interesting happening. It's something that the media is starting to talk more and more about it. We talked about it on this program a while ago. We were one of the first outlets to really discuss this giant tsunami of debt that's coming due. And more outlets are starting to talk about what is about to happen with regards to the amount of debt that's coming due. 1.2 trillion in commercial debt is coming due. It does not mean there's going to be 1.2 trillion in foreclosures coming. It just means that large commercial, office buildings, retail strip centers, and multifamily all have their mortgage coming due. And these are folks that are going to look at what they have and say, I could refinance. I'm in here at 5%, maybe 3%, interest rate. I could refinance at today's rates, which are probably 6, 7, somewhere in there, or I could sell. And so there's going to be more folks that are realistic. Now, maybe not like distressed sellers, but realistic sellers. That's what we're really looking for in today's market. Sellers that are looking to sell at numbers that make fiscal sense for the buyer, right? There's a major gap between the buyer and the seller in the real estate market right now. That gap's gotten a little bit closer. And I'm telling you guys, this year is where we're going to see that gap, I think, close to the point where, yes, there's going to be some distress. I'll give you guys a tip on how you guys are going to connect with that distress. But if you guys are not looking, are not as plugged in, and I'll tell you how to get plugged in, but I'm just telling you in general, the sellers are going to have to get more realistic on what they want for their properties. That's going to happen in 2024. And as a buyer, if you stick to your guns and if you use good protocol and good discipline in your offers and in the way you set yourself up for buying real estate, you could certainly get some really good deals that cash flow day one, right? Now, here's a tip for how you guys are going to capture the a couple of that 1.2 trillion is going to be distressed deals. This is going to be deals where sellers are saying, oh, geez, guess what? I maybe owe more than this property is worth. Maybe do a workout with my bank. Maybe the bank needs to take ownership because the debt's going to come due and the seller's not going to be able to pay the debt off. And so the bank is going to have to take the property back. Or maybe simply the seller is going to say, I don't want to deal with this refinance. I really need to sell because I don't want to deal with the pain that's going to happen if I let this debt go into arrears or into default, right? All those things create distress and they create opportunity. But here's the thing. They probably are not going to create blood in the streets for real estate. There's 1.2 trillion. Sounds like a lot of money, but it's also a drop in the bucket compared to how much debt is out there in the real estate world. This is a small fraction of the real estate, of commercial real estate in the world. So this is not a blood in the streets number. It sounds like a big number, but it's not. What I think is going to happen in the way that I think you guys can really plug in to get good deals, not blood in the street good deals, but good deals for the every here and again sellers that are going to be selling their properties is this. And I tell this to our students in our accelerator program, right? For those of you guys who really want to go business next level, we can help you do that. And I tell all our accelerator students this advice, which I'll give you guys for free. Stay market focused. If you want to really get plugged into great deals, the great deals, the every here and again distressed deals that are going to be coming through the marketplace, pick a market, not 2, not 10, not 7. Pick one market that you guys want to focus on investing in. And that market is where you want to infiltrate, get to know all the different brokers, all the different sellers, all the different owners, maybe even all the different lenders that are present in that market, and get connected to them. The brokers, the sellers, the owners, everybody. Get connected to all those folks in that market. And when a good deal comes up, not a good deal, a great deal, where somebody's looking to sell at a severe discount because they need to get it off their books right away, you will be the first to get that phone call. You're not going to get that phone call if you're shopping 7 markets or even 5 markets. You need to be in one market, needs to be your primary focus. If you can do that, if you guys can be that disciplined, then you're going to get those phone calls. And we tell those to our students. If you guys want to be one of our students, we only take a few in per month. Take a look at that link right there so you guys can hear more about our accelerator, because that is something that you guys might want to consider. If you really want to go next level and get access to the great deals that are coming down the pipe, we can help you do it. But you got to really stay disciplined and focused and have some mentorship, which we can give you. Either way, guys, that's the way that this $1.2 billion change in the real estate industry is going to hit, right? So that's my tip, guys. It's going to be onesie twosie. It's going to be kind of spread around. And a lot of these properties are going to refinance. But every here and again, some of these properties are going to trade. We want you guys to get access to them. That's my tip for the day on the current real estate market. Hey guys, Matt Faircloth here. Thank you for listening again to the Cash Flow Digest. I really appreciate you guys doing that. If you guys want to hear more about what DeRosa Group has to offer, go to DeRosaGroup, DEROSA Group.com, DeRosaGroup.com online. You can hear about all the great things that we offer from an educational standpoint and passive investment standpoint on our website. See you there. And if you guys want to join our online community, DeRosa Insiders on Facebook, where you can watch this program get recorded every Friday at noon Eastern, and you can come on as even a guest or ask questions on the show. We hope to see you guys on our online community, DeRosa Insiders. See you there.